Hey, 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 hey.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Rick and this is
Your girl Bree.
and together we are
R&B
Lovebirds. 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 Lovebirds.
So guys, that's the name that we have officially came up for the channel, R&B Lovebirds. And you all know who chose that name.
You. Yes, guys, say no, so we don't over there in name, but it's kind of catchy, and you know, R&B Lovebirds.
Cute.
Yes.
Admit it, guys.
Yes,
Comment
it's
down
really
below
cute.
if you like it.
You know your smile, I'm gonna see. Not so. Alright, catchy, not so. Alright, guys, so as you can see by the title, we're going to have a little fun night, a little challenge by the name of.
Who's most likely to spicy addiction?
Yeah, so we have some really spicy question. We didn't want to talk loud, but we have some spicy question. But anyways, hope you guys stay tuned. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each time we post a video. Alright guys, we're not gonna talk too long. We're just gonna get right into it. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so we have the questions right here on the phone. As you can see, we have all the questions. I don't know if you guys can see, but
don't let them see.
we have all the questions here and we're just going to get straight into it. So I'm going to read one, she's going to do the next, so let's go. First question is, who's most likely to be a strict parent?
That's easy.
Ready? Oh, you're weak.
I mean, guys, he is more disciplined. So, me love it. Make a spoil my kid.
You're ready for my girl pick me. Let me serve you.
Oh my god.
Sir, yes, sir. Cadet.
Yeah, he's the most experienced.
The next question, guys.
Who's most likely to get jealous?
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Go say
Yo, move fast, oh. Move fast, you can't tell me nothing.
me can't walk in peace on the road. I'm going to say, yo, be your man, container.
You don't know.
Yeah, go say to me, say, your answer. What answer I'm saying?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. No, you're not.
No. See, when you know, if somebody texts me, or who texts we, that is it. Who texts we and who call we. That's your response. And as I put on my phone, you that. I mean, so where did my phone? Oh, the power WhatsApp and fingers and move.
Next question.
Move. You see my child, get away now.
Come, next question.
Next question. Who's most likely to spend the most money?
Oh, that's easy.
Very easy.
Very
Ready?
easy.
1, 2, 3.
Me?
Come on,
B. No.
No, man. No.
Me?
No. The way somebody will spend money with it.
Listen, you will not buy so much expensive things. You're not even gonna be searching about one little spray. If I know Club the Nude or Muff or all them fancy class name shit perfume where you will done your last money for perfume. And that means so much money.
No. You see you see Shein, if we broke tomorrow, Shein or she.
Lies.
Shein or she. You understand? Shein or she. You see your clothes? She or she.
Next question, guys.
But anyways, guys, next question.
Alright, next question. Who's most likely to get drunk and wasted?
Very easy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know.
I mean,
Vomit bed.
yo, that is the only one time. And I told her, I have never been drunk.
Hey.
All because you set me up.
No.
You set me up.
You know how we is because you tell me say alright, me never drunk in my life yet. So
Me never tell someone get drunk though.
so you didn't stop either. You just continue. Next shot. Pow.
Next
So,
question, guys.
Instead of like me, I tell her. Alright. Next question.
Who is most likely to text or call each other more? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, I can admit.
Yeah, I true. She called me more than we can. I kind of not feel good to say that. But me half is it. She texts me if she don't hear from me, she will call me. And if,
Yeah, I'm a good girlfriend.
Yeah, very. Me can admit to that, yeah, because if me sometimes see her come and she not call me not call either, but sometimes she will call me, and I do appreciate that. Even though I appreciate saying that. But yes guys, that's the truth.
Next question.
Next question. Who is most likely to cheat?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. sorry. Wait.
So, you are saying you planned on cheating?
But I bring me up there. You know, cheat. I mean, just. Yeah, man, they understand. That's all. Man, they understand. That's all.
Next question.
No.
Next question, please. Who is most likely to use the other person's toothbrush?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
You're damn right.
Me not say.
You're
Me
damn
not say
right.
make a jump and use the toothbrush, you know. But you see, like, say for example,
You will use me
in a one
toothbrush.
situation and
Point blank.
me have to brush my teeth and get toothbrush and only toothbrush available.
No.
Yeah, can you
No,
use
you
it?
never two in there. You use mine.
No. Gross.
I'm glad you know.
We would have to wash it with Dettol and Fab and
You're
bleach and
bright.
everything.
You're bright. As a mouth no stink.
You have money, everybody money bread
No,
thing.
don't tell me nothing about morning bread.
Irks.
I'm not talking about morning bread.
Next question, guys.
Me not talking about morning bread. Who's most likely to send a nude? A nude. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, man. I want to see that.
Me said you're more news than what you send me. We can't control my animals that I send me. Even when we live together, we still send me news.
Look, she's very proud. And I like it. I like it.
Next question.
It's your fault. So go over that.
Next question.
Ready?
Who's most likely to get freaky in public? One, 2, 3, go. Yeah, you have a right here, guys. You have a right. Yo, this nigga, we see me up on the street. Me and my walk together and for no reason. Grab up my body. Sir, breeze me now.
I hope a body.
Breeze me now?
Me know say I feel about it.
I hope about it.
Oh, me know say I feel about it.
I will that one.
Okay, me know say I feel. No mind. Eh? I feel about it.
Of course.
Me
And
know.
me got
Me
to the
know.
one.
No. Me not get the memo there.
That become.
Me never get the memo there. Well, we can admit to that. Yeah, me actually kiss her in a public. She kind of shy sometimes.
I do kiss him back in public.
But
I
sometimes.
hug him. I do everything. We just not gonna grab like funny or funny body or yeah, but he will do it.
What do you mean, grandpa?
Next question, guys.
That sound why now?
No, I know that me mean. Me mean say me not gonna grab for
Alright,
your
me get what you say.
I mean I grab for your
me
butt
get what you
up,
say.
but
Me
you
get
will
what
grab
you
for
say.
my butt up or my price. Me just say grab. Why, bro?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's all why. That's all why. Yeah,
Alright. Next question. Who's most likely to start an argument?
Oh, shit. Shoot. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, yeah, ho. Right. She do the most to
Yo.
piss me off. Like the most. And
no.
then she can't tell about me just like when I'm upset. I feel like that. I feel like, think about it. Yeah, man, think about it. She will do the most, like, it just get me pissed off. Like, if it just see me, my face just get rumpled and my voice just get deep. And my voice just get loud. You see it? You see it? They're like hiding face. You see it?
Next
Heidi. Stress and no peace.
Here.
Me stress and no peace. Jesus Christ help you.
Come. Remember it.
Next question, guys. Who most likely to fall asleep after sex? Who most likely to fall asleep after sex? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Why are you so strong, miss? Why are you so strong?
I'm all over time. Well, not all over time.
No comment.
You get the goods, I just stop asleep after.
No comment.
And that good noodle.
Hey, nobody with it. Yo, hey. Them no need to know that. Them no need to know that. Relax.
Okay, next
Alright.
question, guys.
Alright.
Who is most romantic?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Okay.
I got to admit it.
Hey, don't play it, guy, you know.
I can't with you. You're so unserious.
God. You know, man, them we know. And all the good girl we get
And
them to something.
everybody
Then.
romantic.
Well, man, them will know about them
Let's put it out
something.
there.
The man, they will know about them. I want to see the big man, them level. But me just grow with them. So me just know what to do, what to do. You understand? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, the big man, them, you know. Parties and up, you know. Teach young youth the things, them, you know. Big up on yourself.
Next question, guys. Who's most likely to go again after the first round?
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh. You be. Let me. Man, make it done.
But no, yeah, but you can go 1, 2, maybe say.
But I mean, I'll go to the most, but I mean.
3, you want 3 or 4 can go on to, but you know, 2 is enough or 1. 1 after 1.
I mean, but if you do the thing to me, whatever, I can't afford to make a week up and all these things, sir. Oh, you expect, man, rest up. The lady never tell a lie.
study, so it's you know spicy. God.
And for the final question, who is most likely to initiate making out and cuddling? One, two, three, go.
Wait, we choose this already.
Alright, so
Why you choosing two already?
let me explain. So, may we initiate for cuddle more because I love to cuddle.
Yeah.
Physical touch
You come like
is my.
if you know something stone or suckle stone or ockle known how they want to call him the fish day.
I want fish name, so.
Something stone a fish me know. Me just feel like I want fish name so.
This is stone, I must want stone either.
I want something stone or something dip on the stone. But anyways, guys, you know you know what we are
As I
talking
was
about.
saying,
Yeah.
I would most likely to initiate cuddling, but as soon as we start cuddle, are you that one make out? So that's why I splitted the answers.
Yeah, it kind of makes sense with you when you say
Yeah.
it. Kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
Kind of makes sense. But it makes sense with you. Yeah. Well, anyways, guys, that was fun. Then I can tell you like the first reaction for us. Got the first time we had to do this and we didn't really rehearse nothing. We just do it off
we
the
just
bat.
say, yo, we're gonna do this and just
Yeah.
make some question and jump in. Like.
Right. So it was fun for me. It was fun. Very, very fun.
It was fun for me too.
Yeah, apart from the cheating bad, but it was fun.
I still love you for that.
It was fun. Me know say more of me up when the camera turn off. I will hear
Yes,
more
guys.
of me.
So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.
Save me.
Peace out.